Hey guys, my name is Miles. I'm a Vivo Life ambassador and nutritionist, and today I'm going to talk to you about this incredible product called Whole. Whole is a plant-based nutritional shake, an all-in-one blend that contains proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, so much more goodness, most importantly, full of flavor. Perfect for when you're pushed for time or when you're on the go. And in a second, I'm going to show you my favorite way to make it. So my favorite way to make it is to blend this with some bananas and oats for good quality carbohydrates, some peanut butter or almond butter for extra flavor, extra fat, extra creaminess. And I love to blend it with oat milk too because it's like perfectly sweet. And if you throw in some frozen cherries or strawberries, it literally tastes like cheesecake. Big difference between Whole and a traditional meal replacement shake is that Whole is not just a bunch of calories with proteins or carbs or fats. It's full of vitamins and minerals, so much good stuff, all of the stuff that your body needs to thrive, to help you go about your day in the best way possible. The best thing about Whole, and what I love about it the most, is that I don't think of it as I'm adding whole to things, I'm adding things to whole to kind of make it a more balanced and nutritious, complete meal when you just don't have the time, but you need the flavor and the goodness. So if you, like me, are also very pushed for time, but you want to fuel your body to the max, would 100% recommend this product.